Dear students, in this part of lecture, we will study a topic of 10th class CBSE trigonometric ratios. Okay. In this chapter, we will study an important branch of mathematics called trigonometry. Trigonometry. Okay. The term is derived from a Greek word, that is, you have to study. Trigonometry means it is developed from two words, trigon and metron. Okay, trigon, metron. Trigonon means triangle, or metron means measure. Or basically, you have to discuss the science of measuring triangle. Okay, in this series, we will study chapter of 10th class at the concept of trigonometric ratio. We will study simple concepts of 10th class, not advanced topic. Now let's say first discussion is what is angle. Okay, if you draw two lines and these two lines are inclined at some angle, the angle between these lines is given by theta. Here are two lines, one is line O is OP, this line is OQ, and the angle between OP and OQ is given by theta. Okay, if theta is 0, then OP and OQ are parallel. If theta is 90 degree, OP and OQ are perpendicular. If theta is 180 degree, then OP and OQ are anti-parallel. Okay, now we discuss about the trigonometric ratios. Okay, trigonometric ratio, let's say I pick a right triangle like this. We will discuss trigonometric ratios. See here, this is one right triangle. Okay, now if I say this is O, this is P, this is Q, and this angle is theta. We develop one ratio, that is, I will say this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. The side in front of angle is called perpendicular. Then first ratio is of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Second ratio is of base and hypotenuse. Third ratio is perpendicular divided by base. Now, what do we call this ratio? This ratio is referred as sine of theta, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Okay. Now, next ratio is called cos theta. Cos theta is base divided by hypotenuse, and tan theta is basically perpendicular divided by base. Okay. Now, these ratios are, if you see, sin theta is simply p by h, cos theta is b by h, tan theta is p divided by p. This is the ratio angle between. This is the ratio of sine, cos, and tan. Now there are three more ratios are there. One is cosec theta, second is sec theta, and next is cot theta. Now these ratios are, cosec theta is exactly reverse of sin theta, sec theta is exactly reverse of cos theta, and similarly cot theta is exactly reverse of tan theta. Okay. Now 1 by sin theta is p by h, reverse is h by p, hypotenuse divided perpendicular, h divided by b, hypotenuse divided by base, or base divided by perpendicular. These are the 6 ratios of any triangle. And trigonometric ratios, basically, if we say, they help us to study, you can say, different concepts of triangles. Now see, come, if I take a triangle like this, simple, I am making a triangle. This is base is 24, perpendicular is 7, and we don't know hypotenuse, don't know the value of hypotenuse, and this angle is theta. Okay. can you find value of sine theta in this case, cos theta in this case, and tan theta? You can say it's very simple. Sine theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. We don't know the exact value of this side. We can find this value. Let's say this value is hypotenuse h, and h equal to under root of 7 square plus 24 square according to Pythagoras theorem, under root of 49 plus 276. If you add them, you will get 625, and this value is 25. The sine theta will be equal to 7 divided by h, and h equal to 25. That means answer is 7 by 25. Cos theta is 24 divided by hypotenuse, and this value will be like 24 divided by 25, and tan theta will be like 7 by 24. Perpendicular divided by base. Okay. Now, if I say this angle is, let's say this angle is phi, then can you tell me the value of sine phi? Sine phi. Now, perspective is changed. If this is sine phi, then this opposite side is perpendicular and this side is base, and this is hypotenuse. Then sine phi will be equal to 24 divided by 25. Cos phi is equal to, cos phi is base divided by hypotenuse. The answer will be 7 divided by 25. You will say sine phi is equal to cos theta. Okay, and similarly, if it's a cos phi is equal to sine theta. Now, see here, you will say in a triangle, if we say sine phi is equal to cos theta, and sine phi is equal to 90 minus theta, then there we get one more interesting result between two angles. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay, this is clear. Okay. Now, if they say in some triangle, sine theta is equal to, let's say sine theta is equal to 15 divided by 25. Okay, then can you find the value of cos theta and tan theta? Think in terms of angle. Sine theta is 15 divided by 25. If this angle is theta, you can say this side is 15, this side is 25. Then can we find the base? Yes sir, we can find the base. Base square plus 15 square 225 is equal to 25 square 625. Then b square is equal to 400 and b equal to 20. If we know third side, we can easily solve the ratio. Cos theta will be like b divided by 25. b divided by 25, 20 divided by 25. And if they ask about tan theta will be like 15 divided by b, 15 divided by b, 15 divided by 20. And answer will be simple, 3 divided by 4. Okay. So if we know the value of sine theta, we can easily find the cos theta and tan theta. Okay. Any question is possible. Let's say if they say cos theta is equal to 8 divided by 17. Okay. They can ask about sine theta and tan theta of the same triangle. It's very simple. If you say cos theta, this angle is theta, then base will be 8, hypotenuse will be 17, and this value is perpendicular. Can you tell me the value of perpendicular? We have to solve it. P square plus 8 square 64 is equal to 17 square. P square equal to 289 minus 64. If you say this, you will get the value as 225, and P equal to under root 225 or 15. If P is equal to 15, you can easily say sine theta is equal to P divided by sine theta is equal to P divided by 17. P is 15, 15 by 17. cos theta is equal to, already you know cos theta is 8 by 17, and if they ask about tan theta, so tan theta will be like p divided by 8, and answer will be 15 divided by 8. Okay, if we know the value of sin theta, cos theta, or tan theta, we can easily find value of other angle. Let's say if they give value cosec theta is equal to 2, can you find the value of other ratios? If cosec theta is equal to 2, that means cosec theta is a ratio of 2, and you can say cosec theta is, this is 2x and this is x. Cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. We can maintain ratio by this 2x by x. Okay, now you know we can apply simple Pythagoras theorem. This value is d, then d square plus x square equal to 4x square, and d equal to x root 3. Clear? If d is equal to x root 3, you can find other values too. Sin theta is equal to x by 2x, cos theta is equal to d by 2x, d is x root 3 divided by 2x, x cancel, answer is root 3 by 2. Okay, we can find any value if we know one ratio, either one of you can say 1 out of 6, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. If we know any one value, we can find all the other values from the concept of triangle. Okay, this clear? Now if they write the discussion like this, okay, say if cos A is equal to 2 by 3, okay, you have to find or evaluate cos square A cosec A plus tan A sec A. Okay, they are asking about it. Now answer is simple. Cos A is 2 by 3. Okay, this value will be like 2 square plus this value will be root 5. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, simple. Then if cos A is 2 by 3, then can you find cos square A? Yes sir. Cos square A is equal to 4 by 9. Cosec A is equal to 3 by root 5. If we multiply them, then cos square A 4 by 9 into 3 by root 5. Then answer will be like 4 divided by 3 root 5. Okay, cos square A cosec A. Now tan A sec A. Tan A into sec A, solve this term. Tan A will be like root 5 by 2 and sec A will be like 3 divided by 2. Okay, then answer will be like 3 root 5 divided by 4. Okay, if we multiply them, what will we get? Add up, first value is 4 divided by 3 root 5 and next value is 3 root 5 divided by 4. This is the answer. Can you solve this? Yes sir. So it's simple. If we see a triangle, we get total 6 ratios. Mainly there are 3 ratios: sine, cos, tan. Sine is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, cos is base divided by hypotenuse, and tan is perpendicular divided by base. Okay, perpendicular divided by base. We can develop 3 more ratios similar to them, similar definition, but they are different. Cosec theta, sec theta, tan, cot theta. Now if they give any angle, any ratio, sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, you can easily solve all of the ratios. Okay, in next part we will discuss about how can we develop other relations, other formulas, and some simple proofs are also there. We will discuss in the later part. Okay.